Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to protect your brand on Amazon. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, safeguarding your brand is crucial in maintaining its reputation and ensuring your customers receive authentic products. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you protect your brand. First, make sure your brand is enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry. This gives you access to a suite of tools designed to help you protect your intellectual property and manage your brand's presence. To enroll, visit the Brand Registry page on Amazon Seller Central, click on Get Started, and provide your trademark information. Ensure your trademark is either registered or pending in the relevant markets. Once enrolled, take advantage of Brand Registry's features. The Brand Dashboard allows you to monitor your brand's presence and manage your listings. Use the Report a Violation tool to address any unauthorized sellers or counterfeit products you may encounter. Next, make sure to utilize Amazon's tools for detecting counterfeit products. Regularly check for any suspicious activity or unauthorized sellers. You can use the Brand Analytics tool to gain insights into how your brand is performing and spot potential issues early. Additionally, consider registering for Amazon's Transparency program. This program allows you to apply a unique code to each unit of your product, which customers can scan to verify its authenticity. This added layer of security helps protect against counterfeit products and ensures customers receive genuine items. Lastly, leverage Amazon's A+ content to enhance your product listings with detailed descriptions and high-quality images. This not only helps in improving your product's visibility, but also ensures that your brand is presented accurately and professionally. Regularly review your brand's performance and stay proactive in managing any potential issues. Protecting your brand on Amazon is an ongoing process, and utilizing these tools will help you maintain a strong and trustworthy presence. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.